Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a super easy recipe for a childhood favorite of mine, which are puff pastry hearts, also called elephant ears or palmiers. For this I'm gonna use pre-made puff pastry and some sugar. You can use white or brown sugar. I have my puff pastry sheet on the counter. I let it thaw out for about 20 minutes. I'm going to sprinkle some flour on the counter and gently unfold the puff pastry sheet. And now I'm going to roll it out with my rolling pin to make it a little bit thinner. Once I have the desired size, I'm going to sprinkle plenty of sugar and use the rolling pin to press it on the dough, and then I'm gonna turn it around and do the same on the other side. You can add as much or as little sugar as you like. For both sides I ended up using about a quarter cup, and if you like you could also sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon. Once all the sugar has been pressed in, I'm going to start folding on the long sides, and I want to do 3 folds on each side until they meet in the center. Notice that I'm leaving a little bit of a gap in between the folds. I'm going to use my rolling pin to press it one more time, and now I'm going to do one last fold. Now I'm going to transfer that to a baking sheet, and I'm going to put it in the freezer for about 20 minutes so it firms up. Now I'm going to start cutting slices about ½ inch thick, and I'm going to dip each side again in sugar and then place them in a baking sheet about 2 inches apart. Out of 1 sheet of puff pastry, I was able to get 20 palmiers. Now I'm going to place these in the fridge, and I'm going to preheat my oven to 400 degrees. Once it comes to temperature, I'm going to bake them for about 18 minutes until they're golden brown, but keep a close eye on them so that they don't get burnt. Once they come out of the oven, I immediately flip them so I can get a golden brown color on the top side, and I let them to cool completely on the baking tray. So there you have them. You can clearly see the caramelized sugar in the center. They're delicately sweet and great paired with coffee or your favorite warm drink. You can store the leftovers in an airtight container for up to 5 days. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!